They're coming to get me. I said something bad about Joe. Gotta put my earplugs in. I'm filming already, so. It is a nice day here on December 30th of 2023. Happy New Year's, everybody. We'll let some B-roll play real quick. Switch out my mags. Alright. Oh good, it catch me. Alright. I'm trying out a new beanie, as you can see here. Well, anyway, I'm going to shoot my Riley Defense AK47. I'm only going to run one mag through it, and I'm going to try these US Palm Alien mags. They're see-through. And I've got 30 rounds of Serbian M67 123 grain full metal jacket. So we shall see. Alright, pointing down range. Okay, you good? Alright. Gonna be just shooting center mass. Standing offhand. This stock is so slick. It's been a while since I've shot offhand. My left shoulder is being an asshole. Okay, well, on here. Went back down range. Okay. Uh-oh. Got double feed going on. If you can see that there. Here's another shell. Second to last shell, so we put it back in there. I kind of think that may have been the gun, that may have been the ammo. Okay. Back off safe. Alright. May have been the mag too. But either way, 29 rounds without a stoppage. And it jammed up there on that last one, but these work pretty good. My AK cycled just fine. So, let's go to the M70 ZPAP. Alright, recording again. Alright. Got the M70 ZPAP Zastava. I put new batteries in the EOTech. Alright. And I've got one of these Bulgarian slab-side mags with some probably tool ammo in it. So, all right. Oh, back on safe. There we go. All right. Hell yeah. All right. Safety off. Okay. Let me give my arm a break here. It's been a while since I've shot. It's been a while since I've shot offhand. And like I said, that left shoulder is being an asshole. Uh-oh. Too much for it to take. Oh my god. There we go. Our brass catcher fell down.
It was throwing it plumb up over top of that.
Yeah. Well, that's the AK. They chuck them up to heaven.
There, that ought to hold.
I'll hold it. Wow. The little compartment in the grip came open. I can't get it to close. I loaded these mags a few months ago. I forget what I put in them. We got about 3 shots left, so. Fell down again. There we go. That was the end. All right. Ooh-ah. Oh, this blew over.
Oh, it been a fucking hurricane. Oh, something put on that to weigh that down about 40 pounds.
All right. Shooting my M70 ZPAP some more. And now I'll tell you, I'll be honest. The way I've got this set up, I highly recommend that you guys don't copy this, because I've got my front rest turned sideways, but that's because I have misplaced my 10-round AK mag. I can't find it. It's probably still up in the truck. And so I've got to improvise. So I'm going to shoot like this. Alright, I've got such and such amount of Red Army Standard ammunition in this SGM tactical mag, which is brand new. So we shall see. I'm just planking. The target's about like at 30 yards, 25, something like that. Nothing special. The only problem with it being so cold out here is fogging up the lens of my EOTech pretty bad. My breath is. There we go. Last shot. Alright. Well, the SGM tactical mag worked pretty well. That's made in South Korea. Yeah, she's empty. Alright, let me go find my 10 rounder. I had it somewhere, now it's gone. Alright. Shooting the M70 again. Don't move my phone over. That was 10. Listening to a little Venom. Load another. That wind's picking up, blowing everything. Yeah, it's the wind. Hell yeah. Ah. I love this crap. Oh, I've been needing to shoot a gun for a while. I'm starting to get withdrawal syndrome.